If you're looking to up-level your audio and you're looking to get a lavalier mic, then we're going to ask the question, should you go pro or cheap? Hi there, David Walsh here, once again from davidwalshonline.com, helping you grow your YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So you want to level up your audio on your YouTube videos. So you're wondering whether to get a lavalier mic from Rode, like this Smartlav, or to go with an Amazon Basics one for about a third of the price. So I'm going to put these to the test for you to see which one comes out on top. So let's start with the Smartlav Plus from Rode. So we open it up, minimal packaging, which is good for the environment. You get this nice little pouch. Inside you have your instructions, and then we have our mic here. We also have our little clip, which is good. And then you also have a little tie for your mic, which is also a nice little touch. So that you can wrap up your mic and it will stay nice and tidy. So we have our mic, I'll leave that on for a sec, and we will put on our clip. Okay, so to add it to the clip, we need to take off our little windshield here, like so, and then pop it through the little thingy there. If you can see that, we can see this a little bit here. Need to pop that through and then lift it, and then put our windshield back on. So now we are good to go. Now, one thing about this is that I feel that this here is very thin indeed. I've used a lot of mics over the years, and this is probably one of the thinnest I've ever come across. So we'll give it a test in a minute. Let's have a look at the Amazon Basics. So we have books and stuff. Now, that's what's in the box. So there is a lot of box for what you get. Okay, a lot less fluff this time. So we get our mic already attached to the clip, which is good. Less faffing around with that. And all we have to do is to just unravel, and we're good to go. What I do find with this is that the cable on this, or the cord on this, is probably about twice the size, at least 1.5 times the thickness of the one on Rode. So all I need to do is basically unwrap it, clip it on, and I'm good to go. So comparing these two mics side by side, you can see that the Rode is considerably smaller. The clip is actually a lot neater as well. You can see that there, and that the clip on the Amazon is actually very, very big. And you would think they would make this a lot smaller to save on material costs. For looks, the Smartlav definitely wins my vote. Now, for length of cable, the Amazon Basics definitely wins. It's a good probably 12 inches or so. So if length is a thing, then you may need to get an extension for your lavalier mic, especially if you're clipping it to yourself and connecting it to your phone or your camera. That could be a distance away. So how do these two sound? Well, let's connect them to my phone and we can listen to the audio. So I've connected them to my phone, so I'm just going to clip it on and then just record some audio on my phone. This is a test to see how this mic is working. This is a test, this is a test, this is a test. So now I'll do the same exact test with the Amazon Basics. This is a test to see how this microphone is working. This is a test, this is a test, this is a test. So there you go, you can hear the difference between the Amazon Basics and the Rode. The Rode is a lot richer sound and is a lot crisper, whereas the Amazon Basics is far too loud. Now, if you have the ability to adjust the volume on whatever camera or phone that you're using for your audio, then you can use the Amazon Basics very, very well. But if you just want to be able to plug and play and just go with something that works out of the box, then the Smartlav Plus is definitely the one to go for. Now, I was actually rooting for the Amazon Basics because I wanted it to beat the Rode. As we can hear, this is definitely not the case. The Smartlav Plus has won by far. To level up your audio, then the Smartlav Plus from Rode is definitely the way to go. Links to these products are in the description below. And what do you use on your audio? Let me know in the comments area below. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and have a lockdown live stream on Saturdays to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you're using mobile to record your videos and want to know what kit to use, then make sure to watch that video right there.